Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. So Taurus people, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright. So we have the High Priestess. This is your current energy, Taurus. And we have Nine of Swords. This is your partner's current energy. Are you hiding something from somebody? Or I believe, Taurus, you are going through some phase in your life where you feel that somebody is hiding something from you, and you know what they are hiding from you. Okay, they must be pretending that okay, I'm not hiding anything from you, but yes, you know that something is going on in their life which they are hiding from you, and you are being only silent observer right now. Okay, you are giving them their own time to come forward and confront their things, confront their energies to you. Okay, so you are being very silent, very polite. You know what other people are playing with you. Okay, and when it comes to you also, you are also being somebody who is hiding something from someone. Okay, it could be related to your love life, your professional life, your personal life, your finances, your day-to-day life. Okay, something is there which you are trying to hide from somebody, or else it could also happen for some of you, Taurus, that somebody is hiding something from you which you already know. All right, so you are just being silent observer. You are just seeing that okay, let them come to me and then I'll make them understand that whatever they are hiding from me, I already knew it. Okay, now let's see your person's current energy. Nine of Swords. Your person is feeling worried and anxious right now. Okay, they must have done something wrong in life which they are not able to cope up with them. Okay, they are feeling guilty in life. They are feeling anxious, worried. Let's see why this Nine of Swords is here. It seems like your person wanted to start something new, or they were waiting for some correct time, or they were waiting for something to happen in their life. Okay, that thing is taking a lot of time because this is Wheel of Fortune. I believe that time is about to arrive in their life. It's not yet come, but still but I feel that it's not their mistake. They are being very optimistic. Okay, but at times they feel that okay, it's nothing is going as per my wish, nothing is happening as per my wish. What should I do now? What action should I take now? Okay, so perhaps they wanted to start something new, or perhaps they are waiting for some kind of a closure, or something is there for that they were waiting, but as per them nothing is going on as per their wish. That's why they are feeling anxious and worried. Okay, now let's see what you guys are thinking about each other. So we have got two cards. Four of Pentacles, Four of Cups. Taurus people, with these two cards, I'm not going to take all of these cards. Taurus people, with these two cards, Four of Pentacles and Four of Cups, you feel them and see them as somebody who has cut them out from, who has cut all their connections with everyone. Okay, because in these two cards we can clearly see that this person is not in touch with anyone in terms of emotional thing, in terms of financial or materialistic way, they are not connected with anyone. They are feeling betrayed, they are feeling cheated, or perhaps they have isolated themselves with the entire world. Okay, on not on physical level, but yes, mentally they have closed their life for everyone. Okay, they are not letting anyone into their life. Okay, they feel that it's okay to save my money is my job, to save my emotions is my job. Perhaps they feel that they must have been I mean, you see them as somebody who has a lot of bad past relationship experiences. That's why they are feeling okay, it's some other if somebody else is approaching me, so I'm not going to entertain anyone, so it's better to keep close my eyes and not see what's coming into my life. Okay, so you see them as somebody who has cut themselves with everyone on emotional level and on materialistic level. Okay, they are trying to be happy into their own energies. On the other hand, we have Six of Swords. Taurus, your person feels about you that you are somebody who has given up on something. Okay, they see you as somebody who has already tried their luck. Okay, who has done a lot of research thing into a particular stream or into a particular project. Okay, but now they see you as somebody who has already been given up, or perhaps you see them moving towards from one place to other place. Yes, they see you just want to keep moving in life. Okay, if you are here today, so they feel that you want to move away from this energy or from this location. So you are a continuous traveler according to them. You cannot stick on a same place, or perhaps whatever happened in your life, that thing had made you move on. Okay, you are somebody who's moving on right now. Okay, now let's see what actions you guys are taking towards each other. What action? I feel this person is not taking any action. Oh. Okay, so Taurus, I feel with this Nine of Cups card, which is come in reverse, you are being somebody who is not taking any action towards this person. Okay, because you feel that all of these emotional connections are nothing but a waste of time as per you. Okay, and you were somebody who was always looking for their mental peace, who was always looking for their own growth. But right now I'm not seeing you are doing anything out of it or any of this, because you are being restless right now, you are being tired right now. Perhaps you are now I feel that now at this point of time you are being somebody who wants someone in your life. I mean, you want somebody, but not but when it comes to commitment thing, you feel that no, I don't want anyone. I think you are afraid of commitment. Yes, Taurus people, you are afraid of commitment, because you feel the moment the person will ask any kind of confirmation from you or any kind of commitment from you, then it will create a mess for you. Okay, so that's why you are afraid to commit. On the other hand, we have Six of Cups. Your person wants to work with you, your person wants to talk to you, your person wants to take action towards you. Perhaps they are somebody who keeps on coming into your life and just check whether you are doing great or not. Okay, they could be your friend who is coming every now and then, or they are trying their best just to be in your life. Okay, they are trying their level best to be in your life. They want reunion, they want you, they really want to give you something in life in terms of emotion. Alright, now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Three of Pentacles. Hierophant. So Taurus, you feel in this relationship that if you are, um, either you feel that this person is hiding something from you, okay, perhaps you feel that there is some kind of a third party situation is happening in this relationship, that's why you are hiding your emotions, or that's why you are afraid to commit. Perhaps you feel that it is just your imagination that this person has some emotions for myself, for me, but but at times you feel that, okay, what if I commit to them and they just deny or refuse my approval, or sorry, offer, what will I do? So it is just your imagination that you are feeling that this person is already in some or with somebody else, in terms of emotions, or in terms of relationship thing. But I'm not seeing anything out of it, because I feel that this person is taking some guidance. They feel, I mean, they see you as somebody who is a responsible person, okay. They must be talking to you, they must be taking guidance from you, they must be taking advice from you, okay. Every now and then they just, I told you that this person is coming into your life every now and then. They are trying their hard, okay. They are trying hard to be in your life, to be with you. So perhaps this could be this could be your friend who is coming back and forth in your life, that hey, I also exist, I have some emotions for you. Perhaps they are afraid to confront their emotion in front of you, okay, because you are not ready to commit, you are afraid to commit. So this person, either this person is talking to you or taking some guidance with you, either this I mean, or I mean, this person could be your best friend, this person could be your good friend who's taking your guidance or something like that. Or I feel that this person must be talking with their family members, or some kind of counseling sessions are going on in their life, that what should they do with regards to this relationship with you. How should they approach you for love? How should they propose you? How should they talk to you about their emotions? How should they confront their emotion in front of you? All right, so some certain planning, certain discussions are going on at their end. Now let's see what are your mutual energies. What is your mutual energy? Okay. So we have Two of Pentacles. This is mutual energy. Taurus, I feel that this energy is for your person, because your person is kind of very sorted in their mind, okay. They know what they want in life, and that's why they are taking some discussions, some counseling sessions within their family and friends and loved ones, okay. I told you they must be discussing about you, about this relationship, how to approach you, how to propose you, okay. So that juggling emotion has been out. I feel that they are waiting for the correct time to propose you. That's why that feeling of holding back their emotion, that feeling is killing them inside out. But okay, because they don't know that the time has arrived for them. That's why they are completely out of this Two of Pentacles energy. They are sorted, they know what they want, and they want you. And I'm seeing with this card, King of Cups, the future potential of this reading or this relationship is that they are eagerly waiting to offer you something. Even though they are not showing it to you, they are not pretending it to you, but yes, they are planning to offer you something solid in this relationship. And you must trust them, because their offer is not empty, their offer is not false. They are not giving you any kind of false emotions or false commitments or false promises. Their genuine is very much their offer is very much genuine. All right, let's see how angels are advising you in this manner. Angels are also asking you to take action. You need to take action towards them, okay. You should take action towards them. That's what angels are advising you. angels are saying that you need to take action, or else you will miss this person. All right. Okay, so Taurus people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces, with this High Priestess. We have water sign evidently in this reading with this King of Cups, Four of Cups, Nine of Cups in reverse, Six of Cups. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Taurus with this Hierophant. We have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Three of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, and some of you could be dealing with air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Nine of Swords and Six of Swords. All right. So Taurus people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.